Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. Today we're going to be talking about Systeme.io, but specifically how you can import a funnel into Systeme.io. Or let's say we're going to use the use case where people have a funnel that's built, that's already converting, that's doing well with affiliate marketing, and you want to import that funnel there. You can use this as a bonus in your affiliate marketing journey. It's quite a useful trick, and it can be done very simply. So, well, I hope this is going to give you a step-by-step guidance on how to import it. It's super simple, guys. It's going to be a shorter video than usual. We're on a Wednesday, so I geek out and I talk about my tools that I use in my business, and Systeme.io is just getting better and better. In fact, look at the screen right now. I'll make myself a little bit smaller, but we have some update to the whole visual effect finally with Systeme.io, because yes, they do take time to publish everything, but when they make these changes, it just gives me the boost and the confidence that everything is going the right direction. So there's definitely a new user experience that is coming out in the next few months, and I'm excited to see how we finish 2025 with Systeme.io. So let's jump on and let's log in. I'll talk about Systeme.io just a little bit to give you guys an understanding of what the tool is about, and then we'll hop in and I'll give you the use case exactly on how to import this funnel. Guys, thank you for coming to my channel. As I said before, my name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. I'm an affiliate marketer. I use Systeme.io as my marketing tool for my emails, for my funnels, for pretty much everything I do. And one of the features that Systeme.io has is simply to share these already high converting funnels and emails and stuff like that that I have with my own people who have gone through my course, or somebody who just wants a similar funnel. Now, obviously, I don't think that, it will convert exactly the same way with you, because yes, the sales process is the same, but the kind of audience that you bring to your offer is always very important. So if you're an affiliate marketer, even if I share with you a funnel, it can be a very useful funnel, but know that it really depends on the kind of advertising that you're doing to get the conversions similar to myself. If you focus on, getting high quality advertising done, then you're going to get high quality conversions. If you're focusing on just traffic exchanges or other kind of, lower quality traffic sources, then you're not going to get the right conversions. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Even though this process is in place, even though it's super simple to share these funnels and share codes in other places they're called, it doesn't mean that it's going to convert exactly the same for you, because in marketing there are two skill sets. One is advertising and the second one is copywriting. If you know how to leverage these two skill sets, you're going to do fine. That's really what the crux is. Now, obviously, I do have a strategy that I follow. My course is, by the way, in the description of this video. It's a $1 course. It's just showing you the strategy that generates, for me personally, $300 to $500 every single month. I primarily use Systeme.io as my main tool for pretty much everything I do in my business. Blog, website, funnel, email, everything is done with Systeme.io. Let me just go over the pricing very quickly. I did start the platform absolutely for free when I got started, and then I went to oh, this is so nice. And then I went to a startup plan. I'm on the monthly startup plan right now, but what I'm also going to be doing by the end of this year is I'm going to go on the the yearly startup plan. I have a few affiliates who are now using also Systeme.io, so this kind of cost is covered. But I'm at the end of the year, I'm going to make this shift and just get an annual plan, because I save money this way, at least 2 months of, spending $17 every single month. So I'll get the startup plan at least. So this is something that I personally recommend always people to get started. If you can go for the yearly, go for the yearly. Otherwise, it's cheap enough to start with even the monthly. So pricing wise, pretty brilliant. You can get started for free. Okay, remember that. And here are all the details of it. I'm honestly at this moment, even though I'm making this video, guys, I'm smiling so much, because I like to see how they have made the page so smooth and newer, and it's just better in looking and everything else. So I'm happy that they've updated these things. For example, all of these plans, literally all the plans include every aspect and feature of the tool. So when you get started for free, you're literally getting the entire setup for free. The only thing that changes is, for example, your contacts get larger with the other plans. Your email campaigns, you can do more with the other plans. Your workflows and everything else, you can do more with the other plans. Your API requests per minute increases per plan. all of the sales funnels, also the number of pages, the number of A/B tests, all increase. But with all the plans, you can pretty much integrate all the features that are available within Systeme.io, which is super, super cool, I think, and is one of the unique features that exist, with this kind of a tool. So pretty brilliant, very happy with the tool. You can see that they have some gateways that are integrated for your payments, and they are doing really well. One of the key elements to Systeme.io that I really like is the customer support. They really they really answer pretty quickly within 2 hours, and they give you a detailed answer. So I really like them. That is the features itself. Let's just log in quickly. I'm going to go to the main page because I want to see what changes they've made here. Cool. So they made a change to the layout right here. It's free forever, and literally you cannot scroll more. This is just a one pager. Brilliant. I really like it. Even if you send somebody directly, I guess they're getting better conversions on this account and everything. Great. So sorry, I digress. Let me just go in and log into my account, and I'm going to show you guys a very simple process. So when you get started, you basically will have no leads here. It'll show you no leads. It'll show you no sales. But this is your account, right? So once you've created a funnel where, let me just put myself here. Right, perfect. So you have different options on the top right here, top corner of the screen right here, right-hand corner of the screen right here. And you can go to, when you're creating a website or a funnel or a blog or an email campaign or anything for that matter, it's all shareable within Systeme.io. Okay, so I want you guys to pay attention to this process, and I'll give a use case for it, but I want you to pay attention to this process, how to do it, and then I'll share with you a use case so you can see it as well. Let's say you want not to share an entire blog, but if you do spend the time, creating a blog like I have, you basically, I clicked on sites, blogs, and then this is the blog I've created, right? Let's say I want to share my entire blog with somebody, at least a template of it. Okay, so you create a blog template and you want to share that template. You've spent the time and energy to create the template in the right way and everything else, and then you want to teach somebody else to get the same website. You can do that by just going here on the three dots of the side right here. Now I'll just show you to view my blog. If we click on view, it takes you to the main blog page. I have this whole setup here. I'm very happy with this blog. Honestly, it's very simple. You can learn about my tools. My YouTube channel is here, program is here. If they go to my blog, you'll see the articles that I posted and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's the blog. I can duplicate this exact same thing. I can share this. I can use setting. I can see the settings, and the settings are basically just giving me the URL and things like that. But if I go to share right here, you can see, and I click on share, it says share this blog. And this share this blog right here, this link I need to copy and I need to give it to somebody who has a Systeme.io account. Or even if you don't have a Systeme.io account, it will prompt you to share this, to get a Systeme.io account, and then it will lead it, then you can import it. So for example, I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna log out of my account. Okay, just to show you, I'm gonna log out so that you guys see. And now on this page itself, I'm gonna put that link in and click on. Now it's telling me first and foremost that I have to log in. If I don't have one, I create one. Okay, and then you'll be able to log in. Now obviously, if once I log in right now, it will not allow me because I already have an account, and I already have that blog there, so it will just show me an error if I'm not mistaken, but you guys will see this in a second. Oh, there's a code. Just give me a second, guys. All right, I've entered my code, but you can see right here it says the blog can't be shared with yourself because I'm sharing it with myself, right? So obviously it cannot be shared with myself, but that's the basic capability. Now that share capability is possible for funnels, for pretty much everything on Systeme.io. So let's say I create a sales funnel. I have 3 sales funnels right here, and I actually have this use case very clearly mentioned. So I have a funnel that I created for a program, a product that I personally, it's my backend product. It's an ecosystem which teaches about affiliate marketing called Master Affiliate Profits. Now, Master Affiliate Profits is something that I personally promote on a daily basis. I send paid traffic, right? So I send paid traffic to a funnel that basically has this page and this page right here. Okay, these are extra pages that I created later on, but these are the 2 pages that of the funnel itself. Okay, so it has this landing page, and I use it for paid advertising, specifically solo ads. And then it takes them to this page right here, which is basically a simple video. You can see it's a very short video, 7-minute video that talks about Master Affiliate Profits, as well as how to create an account And then there's, I added right here my bonuses. So if they do create an account, then they get the bonuses, and I'm telling them upfront. However, if you do go to the platinum memberships, and the platinum memberships where you have to first sign into your account any which ways, you upgrade to your platinum memberships, then you are able to get whatever other bonuses that I have to offer. Okay, so this is the funnel that I have in place. Very simple funnel in 2 pages, and that's it. And this funnel is converting really well. Just when I say it's converting really well, just to give you an example, I have tracking links for pretty much everything, right? So if I go to my leads right here, and I'll show you guys, and I just add on the lead section, I don't want to show you the people, so just give me a second. If I just add map right here and put enter, okay, you'll see on the tracking ID it says map bridge page bonus free. This is a $7 payment that I got yesterday. Actually, you can see the date is here. So at the time of when I'm shooting this video, which is on the 12th of August, you can see on the 11th I got a payout right here. And then you can have many free members, and then if I go for the other pages, you'll see that there are payments. So I know that this funnel also converts and also gets sales. With paid advertising, this funnel makes sense to promote. Now, because I did that, this is the use case, because I did that and I've already tested it out with paid traffic, it's a good bonus to give somebody. It's pretty generic. They can use my email. It's not a problem. All they need to do is on this page right here, on the thank you page, the person just needs to change their link to their map link here. They can leverage my results. They can leverage my video. It's absolutely fine. They just need to change their map links over here, and that's it, right? That's what they have to do. So what I did was I duplicated this funnel. If I go to sites right here and I go to sales funnels, you'll see right here it says affiliate marketing lead funnel map bonus, which is 2 pages. And let's check this out. You're gonna see it's the same thing, right? It's exactly the same thing. So when people tell me, oh, it's not going to work, I refuse to believe that, because it does. So this is the video. I should change this video actually to the same video that's there. But this is the bonus that they're getting, to the point, nothing confusing. This I basically have shared with my leads. How did I do that? I went here and I took this, the 3 buttons, I clicked on share, and I copied this link. And where did I put it? I'm going to show you guys so that you see. I have a fast start bonus, which I give every free member that joins MAP. So every single person that joins MAP, doesn't matter if you pay or not, you're going to get this fast start bonus. And in this fast start bonus, there are multiple trainings that I'm guiding you through the entire process. I say right here, click here for my mini course, click for my AI prompting, and here is, where is it? Free group. Yeah. Okay, this is taking them to the Facebook group, I believe. That's correct. This is training, free marketing strategies, 20-minute session, automated system right here. So it takes them to this page. And on this page, I've basically shared with them how they can get it. So if they want to get the funnel, the full funnel guide, full funnel right here, this is just a page that I created in Systeme.io itself, guys. It's very simple. But this share link, okay, is going to a document, and it says right here, this share link on importing, what is the link? Okay, I'm literally going to go to edit so that you guys can see. And you can see right here, let's go to the end. It says 106. Okay, if I go here to the end, it should say, okay, let me just go back, click on share. It should say 106, but let's see. Yeah, 106. Okay, so you know that this is the same funnel that's there. Okay, so if you click on it, they basically get imported the entire funnel. And I've shared with them step by step. So I've created a bonus for them. Yes, it's a guide. Yes, it goes through the entire process. I tell them how to change everything, what to change. So it took me time to create this step. Obviously, it's a bonus, right? It took me time to create this step, but I can definitely share this entire funnel as a bonus to them. So the use case is very simple. I have something that I'm already using that converts. I can create a bonus stack for it, and in that bonus stack, I can give it to my members. And this I can offer not just for one product. I create this once, but I can offer this for one product. I can offer this for a second product. And let's say I make a generic funnel for the 3rd product, and I can just keep doing it again and again, which helps me boost my conversions on sales. So I hope this is clear. Yeah, but that's the entire process. Very simple, very easy. Click on the 3 dots, click on share. You get, sorry, not settings, but share. You get a shareable link, which you can copy, save, and then import it to with literally anybody. They need to have a Systeme.io account. It can't be done when you don't have a Systeme.io account, but it doesn't cost you to get Systeme.io. There are multiple purposes why I'm sharing this with you. One, it's benefiting solving problems, it's benefiting your customers, benefiting people who are joining you in that affiliate business, and it's helping them. Two, you're getting members to join into Systeme.io. Therefore, you're already getting some kind of free affiliates within Systeme.io. So it has a benefit, because if they do decide to use Systeme.io more and more, then they go to the paid plans, and guess what? You're getting a commission there. So it does have a long term. Think about this long term. Okay, we're looking at it from a perspective of affiliate marketers. By the way, the same can be done with your campaigns. Let's say you have a specific campaign that you've created. I have one for map, for example. I click on share, 3 dots, share, generates a link. I can share this campaign with somebody else. I've written these emails. You can create a generic campaign and you can share that. These are the two resources that take the most amount of time for individuals to actually create pages like this. This is a simple bridge funnel that converts, but it takes people a lot of time and they don't put in the work and the effort to actually do this. So when you're doing it for them and sharing it simply, yes, they'll have to put in some kind of work and effort, but it's getting the system up and running that makes sense. Okay, so you're adding to you're taking away the barriers and you're helping them get started. And at the end of the day, when you do that, you start to become an affiliate marketer, because at the end of the day, affiliate marketers solve problems. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's clear, the step-by-step process on how to import your funnels. Very simple, very easy. I wanted to give you guys a use case so you understand it as an affiliate marketer. And if you have any questions, comment below. If you like the way I'm sharing and giving you this value, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I am very happy to help you guys out if you want to get started with Systeme.io. And additionally, I just want to say this very quickly. If I go to my blog, actually, let me do this through here. If I go to my blog, I want to share with you something which I'll leave a link below in case you guys are interested. If you go to the main page of the blog, so this link right here, and scroll down, you'll see that it says simplify the process. When you click here, it'll take you to this page, and one of the things that I offer on this page is tech support. So the tech support is given for only annual members. Okay, so if you want to get Systeme.io and you want some annual support from myself, you want some yearly support from myself, then this is beyond the Systeme.io training and everything else. Just maybe you want to get on a call with me, maybe you need some help with setting up funnels, maybe you need some information or whatever it is. You can get a Systeme.io annual account. Obviously, I would say click here, clear your cache and cookies, get through this link right here, the annual plan. This is going to go for the startup annual plan, because I didn't want to make it like a confusion. The startup annual plan is more than enough. When you get it and you are able to get started, just send me an email. I'll leave a link to my email address in the description of this video that you've got the startup account. I'll verify that is through me, and because I also get a commission, and based on that, I'm basically going to give you guys the tech support that you need for the entire year. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm happy and I'm here to help. If you have any questions at any point of time, guys, I'm going to see you on Friday for a monthly update on the second best platform that I personally love to share about and talk about, which is the OLSP system. See you guys on that video.